Hi everyone. In this video, we will learn how to remove extra spaces from a cell. As you can see here, two spaces are there after the date set. Here, supposed to have only one space, whereas we have two, and at the start there should not be any space. Now, in order to avoid problems where you want to match the data from one particular cell to another, the exact same data is available in both cells. It is not going to match because of one extra space available in one of the cells. So in order to avoid such problems, what you have to do, you can use a formula, that is equal to trim, giving the location of this cell, closing the bracket, enter, applying it to the whole set using a fill handle, then Control C, copying it and pasting it here as values. Now you just have to delete this and you have obtained the set of data without any extra space. Hope it helps. Thank you everyone.